Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am trading on Iqoption with my real account. I have placed a downside on OTC market and I am sure that I will win this trade. If you want to learn my strategies, you can see this WhatsApp number, or you can if you want to invest, you can also invest. And you can see this is my trading history. This is the result of my trading strategies. I win minimum 90%. You can see my trading history. And I have placed another trade to downside. And I am sure that this will, you can see candle is going to downside. Where you don't need to add any indicator or script. All indicator and script are fake. Your mind is more powerful than indicators. You can see I never use any indicator and get result like this.